So after we walk around the house and get a layout of the house and get a vent count, we enter in the vents and get a price for the customer, and they sign off to finalize the work order. And then we begin setting up the process of area cleaning. All right, so the way our system works is we've got a vacuum. We put that into the dome. We have a high pressure air line. We feed that in the other side. And then we'll feed this air line into the vent, and it blows air backwards, so it'll propel itself into the vent. And once we hit the end, we're gonna pull it out, and it's gonna blow all that dust and debris back out of the vent, which will get sucked up into the vacuum. So in these two vents, we found a little bit of black mold. So what we're gonna use here is our sanitization kit. It's pretty similar to the way we clean vents, except instead of compressed air, we're shooting out a chlorine-based sanitization fluid, and that's just gonna kill any mold or germs, pretty much anything bad that's in that vent. Looks like leftover concrete from when the house was built. Probably just been sitting in those ducts for 10, 20 years. Looks like it's a dead mouse. Little critter. We're gonna move to the utility room where the furnace is. We're gonna clean out the main return line. We'll do that by drilling a small hole in the return line and using our whip line. And all that dust is gonna get sucked back to the filter in the furnace. And then finally we patch up the hole, take apart the furnace, take out the filter. We're gonna vacuum out the whole bottom of the furnace, the blower fan, and get that area nice and clean, vacuum off the filter or put a new one in, and then put it all back together. We're gonna head outside and clean out the dryer vent, and then that's gonna wrap up the air duct cleaning for us today.